Hey everyone, in this video we are going to continue with our Google Slides lessons, and we're going to talk about inserting slides, organizing slides, deleting slides. So, usually when you open up a new slide deck, you have a title slide. So I went ahead and made my title slide. So I'm ready to move on in making my slide deck or my presentation, and I want to add another slide. So I can do that several ways. I can right click. So if I right click on the existing slide, I can hit new slide, or I can even duplicate that slide if I want it. Say I want the same exact layout on my next slide, I might duplicate that slide just so I can duplicate that layout with the text boxes and be able to arrange it the way I want to. If I do not want it that way, then I might want to delete it. So I'm just going to right click and delete. And to add a slide, another way besides right clicking, I'm going to highlight my first slide, and wherever I want it, I'm going to hit this plus sign and it's going to add another slide. Now usually it will pick a default layout for you, but if you want to choose among several different layouts, right beside the plus sign you have a drop down arrow. So if you click that arrow, you have all kinds of various layouts. You even have a blank one if you want to go from there. So many people use these columns and such as that. So now we have several slides here. And so I can put information here. I can put bulleted text here. And I can put different things here and so on. Here, I might want to add photos, and we'll talk about that in a different video when I have all of these things that I want to do. Now, let's say I have all of these slides, and really what I have here on slide 3 really needs to go up to slide 2. All I have to do to rearrange my slides is click and hold my mouse button and drag it into a different position. Or I can drag this all the way up to the top above the title slide if I want it. So I can just drag and drop and arrange my slides in any way I want to. I also have a different slide view down here. If I go to the very bottom of this left-hand menu where my slides exist, I have the layout view, but then I also have this grid view. So notice what happens when I hit the grid view. I get the slides all laid out in one big storyboard form, and then I can still arrange them however I choose and have whatever order. And then I can go back down to the bottom left and go back to my normal view. So I can either add a slide by right-clicking and choosing new slide, or I can right-click and duplicate. I can also use my plus sign at the top and just add a default new slide. Or I can use the drop down arrow and I can choose whatever layout that I might want to have on that slide. So that is inserting, adding, and deleting slides when you are creating a slide deck. If you need any more assistance or have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I will be happy to assist.